Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Let's start right here. This is Alessandro Zamboni. He has a fresh new course out today called Self-Publishing Empire. And you can see the breaking the Amazon monopoly, which is Kindle, KDP. So Kindle can be quite a lot of hoops to run through to get your book up and listed, whether it's on as an ebook or as a paperback book. There's a lot of dimensions and the bleed of it and the whole 9 yards you got to work out. This is a method of using artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, to create the books, and a new platform that publishes and sells the books. So together, as Alessandro says, you can create a book in an hour and a half, and basically you're going to guide the artificial intelligence, the topic, the characters, the chapters. You're going to sort of let it flush out you're going to give it the skeleton, and it's going to fill in the bones. And you're going to create a book in an hour and a half, whether it's fiction or nonfiction. This whole course is $27, by the way. So you can be a published author, in 5 years from now? In a year from now? After 6 months of going back and forth? After a month? How about tonight? Yes, you can get it all put together and create a book in an hour and a half, which is amazing. Obviously, the artificial intelligence is doing the work. And be smart, go in and be your own editor, go through and check it. Make sure you like the way it sounds, the words they use. You can edit the AI work, and then it's really your work. So $27. I'm going to go inside here and just give you a little look. There. So here he's talking about the new way of doing it. It's all here, $27. Self-Publishing Empire video course. I'm going to scroll down because they go blah blah blah. This is way better than anything else. Lots of different stuff about publishing and how hard it can be. And then here we can show you how to create the covers. And this is the best way to enter in self-publishing world because Amazon is they're showing you a bunch of sales. Again, don't look at that because you're not this guy. You don't have this guy's head start. You don't have this guy's, things already written, but they're making some money. So that's a good thing. That's the one thing you want to grab. Your results may differ. Alessandro Zamboni, he's been doing this kind of things. He does these niche publishing kind of guides. And here we go. Pretty easy model with no stress and hard work. It's a complete video course. Again, $27. Takes you by the hand, guides you through creating great books and selling the books. So here you go. Use ChatGPT to sell a lot of books, find book topics, outline a nonfiction book in 20 seconds, create nonfiction chapters and subchapters, format your book easily, where to go with no stress, make it ready for the new platform, not like it happens on Amazon, which can be really complicated. How to write a perfect fiction story or novel in 1.5 hours that will make your customers crazy for more. Great, beautiful. So that's the nonfiction and fiction. Great, beautiful plots for any fiction genre. I'm going to let you read through all this, but you can just understand that that's the creating of it. And then there's some more about being able to deal through him with the questions and the Facebook group. And you're going to be going and self-publishing it with artificial intelligence to crank it out for $27. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You click the product box and you can grab a copy right here for $27. And you're self-publishing tonight. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. It's called Self-Publishing Empire from Alessandro Zamboni. Enjoy.